Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect hot dogs at home. Trust me, once you try this, you won't want to go back to store-bought. First things first, let's talk sausages. You can use beef, pork, chicken, or even vegetarian sausages. It's totally up to you. Now for cooking, we've got a few options: grilling, steaming, or pan frying. For grilling, preheat your grill to medium heat, lightly oil the grates and cook the sausages for about 5-7 minutes, turning occasionally until they're heated through and have light grill marks. If you prefer steaming, boil some water in a saucepan, place a steaming basket over it and steam the sausages for 5-6 minutes. Or if pan frying is your jam, heat a non-stick skillet over medium heat, add a splash of oil, and cook the sausages, turning frequently for 6-8 minutes. Alright, sausages are done. Now let's talk buns. Lightly butter the insides and toast them on the grill or a skillet until they're golden and warm. Toasted buns make all the difference, trust me. Now assemble your hot dogs. Place a cooked sausage into each bun, and add your choice of toppings. For a classic dog, go with ketchup, mustard, and relish. Feeling adventurous? Try a chili dog with some chili, shredded cheese, and chopped onions. Or go all out with a Chicago-style dog. Mustard, chopped onions, relish, tomato slices, pickled sport peppers, a dill pickle spear, and a sprinkle of celery salt. Serve your hot dogs immediately with chips, fries, or a simple salad on the side and get ready to enjoy the ultimate comfort food. Pro tip: use fresh, high-quality buns for the best results, and don't be afraid to experiment with gourmet toppings like sriracha mayo, avocado slices, or even kimchi for a unique twist. That's it, folks. Perfect homemade hot dogs, ready to devour. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this helpful. See you next time.